let's learn animal and their foods. Cat. Cat. Cat like to drink milk. Cat like to drink milk. Dog. Dog. Dog like to eat bone. Dog like to eat bone. Cow. Cow. Cow eat grass. Cow eat grass. Goat. Goat. Goat like to eat leaves. Cabbage. Leafy vegetables. Goat like to eat leaves. Rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit like to eat carrot. Rabbit like to eat carrot. Squirrel. Squirrel. Squirrel like to eat nuts. Squirrel like to eat nuts. Monkey. Monkey. Monkey like to eat bananas. Monkey like to eat bananas. Frog. Frog. Frog like to eat insect, bugs. Frog like to eat insect like bug. Bear. Bear. Bear like to eat honey. Honey. Bear like to eat honey. Let's revise. Bear like to eat honey. Bear. Bear. Bear like to eat honey. Frog. Frog like to eat insect. Rabbit. Rabbit like to eat carrots. Parrot. Parrot likes to eat chilies. Monkey. Monkey like to eat banana. Cow. Cow like to eat grass. Dog. Dog like to eat bone. Cat. Cat like to drink milk. Goat. Goat like to eat leaves. Tiger. Tiger eat meat. Tiger eat meat. Thank you.